Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome back to me. I have not filmed and uploaded a video here on YouTube in quite some time and I am so very happy to be back. I took a much needed social media break. It was so needed. I will explain to y'all why I did that and sorry, I'm out of breath. Just had a doctor's appointment, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But Hunter, can you say hi? He's on spring break and he's hanging out with me. I gotta film this video and then I gotta go up and work and watch the kiddos.
And then I'm gonna play Monster Hunter on the phone.
If you are curious to see where I've been and want to hear what the future of this channel is going to be and a few other things, then just keep watching. Okay, so I took a social media break just because I was feeling very burnt out. The last videos you guys saw of me was my intuitive eating journey, and I was going to be doing a intuitive eating journey, but I don't feel like it was really my time to do it because I don't feel like I was in that, I don't feel like I had that good of a relationship with food like I wanted to, and I was kind of going all in. I was still concerned about weight gain, wasn't feeling comfortable in my body. I was obviously, like I said, worried about weight gain, and then I was just eating too much sugar, and I was really trying to be comfortable in my body with how it is, being a bit more plus size, and I just haven't been able to get there. And I do really feel like, because I've been really thinking about it, I don't feel like there is anything wrong with being plus size at all, because I look at women who are plus size and I find them to be gorgeous. But for me, I've always wanted to be pretty toned and like in shape, I guess I would call it. And that's in shape to me would be in my body, have less weight on my body and more muscle definition. And that's what I want to achieve. So I am going to be starting up Weight Watchers again, because on Weight Watchers I did lose a pretty good amount of weight. I feel like I wasn't really having too much anxiety and stuff about the tracking. And anytime I've talked to people about my Weight Watchers journey, it was such a good experience, because I do really feel like the portion sizes were great for me, because I deal with IBS as well, and with the bloating and all that, and I have endometriosis, so I am going to bloat. So that's one thing that when I was on Weight Watchers, I wasn't feeling too overly bloated. I still get bloated, of course, but it wasn't as much when I was on Weight Watchers. So I'm very excited to restart Weight Watchers. I have a goal to lose at least, I want to lose at least 15 more pounds. In my video, when I talk about it, I'll tell you guys what I've like really decided, but I feel like 10 to 15 pounds would be good for me to lose, and then just start trying to focus on like building muscle and just overall, really feeling better. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I did write a little list, and I want to make sure I go over all those topics because I don't want to miss anything. Let's see here. I will be going to a nutritionist very soon. I'm very excited about it. I think it'll be really good for me, because I have been having a lot of anxiety and stress and stuff over food, because there are certain things that I just can't eat because I'm so sensitive to them. Like I have a food sensitivity to them, like eggs, for example. Eggs have such good protein, and I'm pretty sure 0 points on Weight Watchers, so it's a very easy food to go to, but I can't eat it because I am sensitive to egg whites and egg yolks. So with this Weight Watchers journey that I'm going to be starting back up, I am also going to be focusing on just strictly having what I can actually have and not just eating it because it's 0 points. I'm very excited also to say that my breast reduction surgery is scheduled for April 25th. I cannot wait. I'm going to be filming that whole journey for you guys. I already know it's going to freaking change my life after that surgery. So excited. So I definitely want to drop I'm pretty sure about 10 pounds before that surgery. So I got a month to go, and I feel like I can definitely do it in that time. So I do feel like I'd say I want to lose another, we're just going to say between 10 to 15 pounds. We'll see. And then I'm just going to say that I am starting a new channel. I'm keeping this one, of course, and this channel, I know I've been going back and forth on what I'm going to be filming and things like that, but this channel is just going to be my like lifestyle channel. If I have like any type of product I want to review, I'll do that on here. I'll do grocery hauls, I'll do Weight Watchers videos, I'll do like self-care videos, pamper routine, stuff like that. So this channel is going to be more of like, hey, I named this channel Caitlin James. Oh, but I'm turning it back to Katie because I just think Katie it just suits me. I love the name Caitlin and stuff, but I always call myself Katie, and so does everyone else. So I'm going to turn it back to Katie James. So I'm going to start my new channel, and it's going to be a cleaning channel because I love cleaning. I'm constantly doing it, and I'm going to be doing like speed clean videos, organizing videos, and things like that. So I will let you guys know here on this channel once that channel is up and going. And for that channel, I plan to upload like once a week. And then most likely I will start getting up more content. And then also here on this channel, I am not going to promise all these tons of videos because my schedule is very, very crazy lately. But I'm going to I'm going to upload no matter what, 1 day a week. I don't know if I'm going to have a set day of when I post that. I think it's just going to be kind of random. But I am going to try to film, obviously, and upload way more than that. I just really need to sit down and think of what will be best for me and my schedule. But I will definitely be uploading again more on this channel and continue to do that. So yeah, that is it for what I wanted to say. I'm very excited. I just want to get healthy, and it's been kind of a roller coaster the last few months. Still going to therapy, still learning to try to love myself, and I feel like I will get there this year. I'm going to do it. But anyway, what?
Can't put it in.
Okay, I'll fix it in a minute. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you have any video like requests or anything like that. Comment them down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. You say bye?
Bye.